Hello, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Miss Jenny Inocencio,
How old are you?
23 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic,
Are you married?
single mom,
Okay, how many kids do you have?
one,
How old?
3 years old,
Okay, so how long have you been working in Hong Kong?
4 months,
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
yes, in the Philippines,
How many years?
3 years,
Okay, so how long have you been working with your current employer?
4 months,
Where's your employer living in?
Lohas Park,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
900 square feet,
How many family member there?
4,
How many children?
2,
How old are they?
9 years old and 7 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 5:40 in the morning, I fix the things they use and they bring in school, and after that, 6:30, I will bring Coco to school. After bringing him in school, I go to market. After marketing, I go home and clean the house. And after that, I pick up him 12 o'clock.
Okay, and then?
And then, 4 o'clock, we will pick up Muy Muy in the lobby.
Okay, how about dinner? What time you cook?
I cook 5 o'clock to 5:30.
Okay, so what time they eat?
6 o'clock,
So what time you go to bed?
before 10.
Okay, thank you.